All right, so most of your problems today on your assignment are subtraction problems. So we're going to get a little bit of practice with those. A lot of the questions will also ask you these two questions here. Ungroup to get 10 ones and ungroup to get 10 tens. This is asking you if on the problem you had to ungroup to get 10 ones or 10 tens. So we'll talk about that as well. Let's solve the problem first. Here we've got a problem we need to borrow because we cannot take 2 away from 0. So we're going to hop over to our neighbor, and unfortunately he's 0 too. So we go all the way around the neighborhood, and we're going to borrow from Mr. 5, taking 1 away from him, bringing him down to a 4, and he gives one of his hundreds, or one of his tens here to our tens column. Now that our tens column has 10 available, this little guy in our ones column can borrow from the tens column, bringing that number down 1 more to a 9. And he gives 10 ones to our ones column. So now we're all ready to begin. We can do 10, take away 2, hold up 10 fingers and take away 2, and you get 8 left over. Holy cannoli, that was a crazy 8. Oh, here we go. And 9 take away 1 is also 8. And in our hundreds column, we have 4 take away 3. If you hold up 4 fingers and take away 3, you are left with just 1. So our answer is 188. Now the questions say, the first question says, do we have to ungroup to get 10 ones? Did we have to give 10 ones from the tens column to our ones column? We did ungroup to get 10 ones. These are the 10 ones right here because we're in the ones column, and we did have to do that. So, yes. And the second question asks, did we ungroup to get 10 tens? And as you can see in our tens column, we did have to get 10 tens, okay, from the hundreds column. So yes, we did ungroup to get 10 tens. All right, we're going to do one more practice problem. Go ahead and watch the second video before you get started on your assignment.